Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by locking down spawn control and villager mechanics. First, move villagers and a bed cluster to a secure compound. You need at least 10 trading villagers to guarantee waves spawn reliably. Once done, clear a roughly 60 by 60 room and fill or light caves out to 128 blocks so raids funnel predictably. Make a 3 by 3 holding cell for the patrol captain, with trapdoors for controlled line of sight. This sets the foundation for consistent raid XP. Next, you need to trigger raids reliably and funnel enemies into a safe kill chamber. Use a bad omen from a patrol captain or cure a zombie villager to grant hero effects. This guarantees raid waves. Make water push funnels that channel mobs into a vertical drop. Aim for a 2.5 to 3 block fall to weaken but not kill ravagers. Once funneled, install rails or a magma platform with a piston control to group survivors into the XP collection area, with hoppers underneath to catch drops. Finish by building the kill chamber so you can safely open the mob and collect XP. Position a 1-block-high window where you can hit mobs without exposing yourself, and use slabs or name tags to stop despawn on horses or unique mobs. Make sure lighting prevents unwanted spawns in the funnel. Test with a single raid wave and observe timings. If villagers or raid mobs teleport or reset, check bed and workstation distances. Keep key village components inside 128 blocks or adjust chunk loading to stabilize behavior.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.